Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Time Machine on your MacBook. First, connect an external hard drive or solid-state drive to your computer. This drive will store all your backups, so make sure it has plenty of available space. Ideally, the backup drive should be at least as large as your MacBook's internal storage to accommodate comprehensive backups. Once connected, your Mac should recognize the drive, preparing it for the next steps in the setup process. Next, open System Settings on your MacBook and locate the Time Machine option. Here, you'll click Add Backup Disk and select the external drive you just connected. It's highly recommended to check the Encrypt Backups box for added security, protecting your data from unauthorized access. This ensures that all your sensitive information remains private, even if your backup drive falls into the wrong hands. Once you've selected your backup disk and chosen encryption, Time Machine will automatically start its first full backup. This initial process can take a significant amount of time, potentially several hours, depending on the amount of data on your MacBook and the speed of your external drive. Don't worry, though, future backups will be much quicker, as Time Machine only saves new or changed files, making the process efficient. To restore files, simply click the Time Machine icon in your menu bar and select Browse Time Machine Backups. You can then navigate through different dates to find the exact version of a file or folder you need. For optimal protection, keep your backup drive connected as often as possible, allowing Time Machine to perform hourly, daily, and weekly backups automatically. This ensures your data is always safe and easily recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.